asunto-osakeyhtiö Kellotapuli.
Look at this, it's a yellow cap, but it's blue otherwise, outside and inside.
Yeah.
Like on the doors and inside it's blue, but outside it's yellow. And this is Kellonsoittajankatu. Klokkaringarekatan 12 staircase B in a Turku, Turku, Finland. 7 floors. Was built in 1970, 50 years old in 2020, modernized in 2007, and modernization turning 15 years old this year in 2022. December is age 1947. One ride is going to be inspected next year, 2023. Because the interior is original.
Yeah.
It probably used to have MP6 originally.
Yeah.
I believe so, because it probably had the regular type of handle, like from 1960s.
Yeah.
So this could be from early 1970.
Yeah.
Now you can press the ground floor. I don't really think it was pop out before.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's not that likely. It's so rare. So.
Yeah.
And it was early 1970, so probably MP6.
Yeah. Iskuttiin kiva iskuttanut maintained by Kone.
Yeah. And that was also 2 years before they mistakenly abandoned the trams.
Yeah.
We shall run close here. Modernized. And itäinen pitkä jest långa.
Yeah. That's